Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate and strawberry cake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare 2 8-inch round cake pans. Whisk together 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined. Next, let's prepare a luscious chocolate ganache. In a small saucepan, heat 1 cup of heavy cream over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Remove it from the heat and pour it over 8 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes to allow the chocolate to melt. Then, whisk it gently until it becomes smooth, shiny, and beautifully thick. This ganache will be perfect for filling and topping your cake. Now for the fresh strawberry filling and cake assembly. Slice about 2 cups of fresh strawberries and gently toss them with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For the frosting, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until light and fluffy. Once your cake layers are cooled, spread a layer of cream cheese frosting, then add the sweetened strawberries, and drizzle with some chocolate ganache before adding the next cake layer. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and to enjoy your masterpiece. Use the remaining cream cheese frosting to cover the entire cake smoothly. For a beautiful presentation, arrange fresh whole or sliced strawberries on top and around the base. You can also add some delicate chocolate shavings for an extra touch of elegance. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate and strawberry cake.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.